Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, we're gonna take the Zl1 to my first Cars and Coffee. And then from there, we're going straight to Barrett-Jackson. Listen to this thing right here. I think it's ready to roll. And we're gonna waste no time. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we're here at Dino Comp and we are parked inside. I wanted to show you guys, this is the car right here. I'm gonna make sure I tag that video up top. But Rich had said that he had his STI and he was gonna give me a ride in that thing, and it's actually this car right over here. This thing is an absolute monster, bro. Like, look at this thing. Oh my God. I think if I remember right, I think he's 750 wheel now in this car. Which a light car like this, gutted, like that's insane. Now, here's the crazy thing. This is GTR as well. And look at his badge. Mine says DC 900. His badge, DC 1500 horsepower. All right, you guys, so we're outside. And yes, we have a little bit of a lineup out here, mixture of cars. And we're right in front of DynoComp. Now, check this thing out. Wide body, 350Z.
Like I say, it's too nice for a track. Right? Like the.
Oh my God, bro! This thing is wild. Look at that wheel setup. Let me show you the back wheel. Oh my God, that's crazy, dude. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Roof full carbon. R33. Got an RB26. Whew. Z06 right next to it. Now, this is what's a trip is, you know, you got old school car, which I love, but then newer models, I don't know, man, the up-to-date stuff, very nice wheel spec. This is beautiful. I love it. Deep concave wheels in the back. Yeah, perfect trim inside. See, you guys, there goes the Alcantara steering wheel. That's why I'm trying to swap mine out. Ferrari right next to it. Look at this beauty. Oh my God, you guys. Holy cow. Inside right-hand drive. Manual. Never can go wrong with a C7 Z06. C6 ZR1. Look at this baby. Right here, you guys. Nothing like a good old 5th gen Z28. Absolute track beast, and the motor's built by DynoComp. All right, you guys, so here we have the new ZR1. If I'm not mistaken, they're gonna do 2 pulls on this car. All right, you guys, so we are officially here at Barrett-Jackson, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna start with one of my favorite Camaros that I just found sitting over here, and this is the actual Yenko Stage 3 1500 horsepower Camaro SS. This thing is absolutely insane. It is gorgeous. If you guys take a look at the hood up close, you can see that the hood is all carbon fiber, and that's actually painted that blue. And this paint on the hood throughout the entire body is actual paint. This is not a wrap. And then around the back of the car, that satin right there is how the trunk starts. I'm pretty sure it starts out with a satin black trunk that they add on there, and then they paint it to match. That is absolutely wild. And then there's another one right over here on this side, but this one is 1150 horsepower on this Camaro SS. And then over here, there's actually another one right next to this GT500, which is a very sick color on this GT500. This one's actually got the hood open. And there you go. Got the big Whipple sitting in that thing. Really, really sick. Full carbon hood too. Look at that. The rear end on this is nasty. Z06. I'll show you guys what I seen in the Chevy booth, and then I'll give you guys a little quick shot of what the Chevy team allowed me to do. Going over there in the Chevy booth, it was really cool, man. Exciting. I don't think many people got that opportunity to do it, but I did, and I can't wait to show you guys. And then my other favorite one, you guys, from the pack is gonna be this R34 right here. Somebody's selling this baby. Somebody out there is buying this. Look at this. So clean. Shout out to whoever buys this car because that thing is very clean. And then I did spot a 2018 Camaro Zl1. Looks like this guy has the pulley done, got the catch can. I'm not sure if it has headers, but what I do know is over here, it says that this car has only 6,000 miles on it, and it's one of 82 manual, I think 2018 manual Zl1s. Not just manual ZL1s in general. Could be manual ZL1s in general. Maybe you guys can comment, let me know. Bro, if this, so there was a game called Twisted Metal back in the day. The OGs might know. Like, this is crazy, bro. This is literally Gran Turismo right here. One of those cars that you unlock on Gran Turismo on PS5. That's crazy. And then, ooh, look at this Lincoln. Look at this Lincoln. Oh, that baby's nice. The Lotus, man. The Lotus, always a nice spec. You don't see these very often. Shout out to the people out there that own a Lotus. You guys, old school GTS. Beautiful spec. All original Viper. This is another one that you would unlock in Gran Turismo. Oh man, what a beautiful car, bro. Old school, manual. Can't go wrong with that. This NSX on the BBS wheels. Super clean spec. I don't know, man. I feel like this one, somebody out there that collects cars is gonna buy this thing and put it right in the garage. Nice little lineup with the Demon. This Z06, I'll show you guys the spec in a second. And these babies right here. What's crazy is on this, yeah, it's got the chrome wheels, but the little touches, the trim usually around the Z06 is black. That in the center usually is black. And then when you come around to the back of the car, tail lights are actually OEM clear, and then the bezel around it usually is black. That's painted white. And then he actually still left the glass on the wing, which I really, really like. Carbon roof. This is a sick spec right here. And then of course, the one and only. That thing is sick. Imagine, all original. Buying this and putting it right next to Print 10, putting it right next to Optimus. And then you got this 5th gen Yenko right here. Super clean. I just feel like on this one, the back tires, they need a little bit more meat back there. But overall, nothing like a 5th gen Camaro. I promise I'm gonna start getting other cars, you guys, other than Camaros. But come on, you can't blame me. Look at this. So clean. My people that like to go hunting and all that good stuff, there's a lot of cool things over here for you guys. See, camping, I should say. Oh, my people, that's crazy. I would actually, that looks fun, dude. Not gonna lie, oh my God, dude. God, look at this wide body, creative bespoke Ferrari for sale. It's gonna go up. Wondering how much this is gonna go for. GT4 RS. Nice spec. If I'm not mistaken, is this a Maserati? MC20. It is a Maserati. See, your boy's good, man. You know what I'm saying? Not all muscle cars, even though I'm about to show you guys all muscle cars. But and then, of course, big shout out to the fam over at Highline Auto. Always showing a lot of love. And then we'll say hi to a good friend. He's busy. He is a busy guy. Look at the famous guy. Look at the famous guy. Adrian. What's up, bro? You guys, I want to show you guys something really special. It's a 1960 Chevy Corvette, but look at the motor. That's got an LT4 inside of this baby. And then in this aisle, Ford GT heaven, you guys. To be honest with you, I don't know if I've ever seen so many Ford GTs in a row all together like this here. I mean, each one of these cars are at least $1 million, these Ford GTs. And what's crazy, fun fact, is as aggressive as this car right here looks, so sick, this is actually a V6 twin turbo. Right over here, look at this. That is a very nice spec on this race car Ford GT. McLaren Senna, full carbon fiber, full carbon body, and then inside the door there, you can actually see the footwell. When you're driving, you can see the road. Oh my goodness, Ferrari. So futuristic looking, literally GTA in real life. This is where all the magic happens, right here. The one and only section that you guys all know I'm coming to, which is going to be the Chevy, the best booth in the entire show. Look at this. So you can actually see the stars. Whew. Then I'm going to show you what's over there. Of course, the C8 ZR1, ladies and gentlemen. Spring Mountain, man, we got to do this. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys something really cool that I was able to experience. So you guys, what I'm going to show you is a real quick glance at, shout out to my man Todd. I was talking to him. He's here at the Chevy booth, and I told him about the C8 ZR1 and how much I love the car. And I'm going to show you guys a real quick clip where he let me sit in the car. He said, you know what, go sit in the car and tell me what you think. So here's a quick snippet. And as you guys can see, man, it just hugs you. It just hugs you into that seat, man. It's just a completely different car, and it is so fast. Big shout out to Dino Comp, because you guys saw what it did. It did almost 900 horsepower to the wheels, and it's stock. So, yeah, I don't want to say, you know, they're dumbing down the numbers. For whatever reason, I can't say it on here, but you guys know, I think you guys know what reason I'm mentioning. But I will say that I think it's more power than what it's being promoted this car actually makes. I know it says like 1,004, I think it is, but I think it's a little bit more closer to 1,100, 1,200 horsepower on this car, and it's not even a ZR1X. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna wrap up this video right over here, you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. All the cool cars, everything from DynoComp till this point here, coming down to Barrett-Jackson. Big shout out to Barrett-Jackson as well. Sent them that message on Instagram. They said, we'll see you soon. I appreciate you guys taking care of me here. And if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And in the meantime, between time, you guys know the drill. A Dilla. Bow. Superman chilling in the valet right now. And then Print Time chilling in the garage. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.